Hey, how you doing, sweetie? What's up, guys? Boy, this is a place to be. All the little children are down here, and the big ones too. There we go. Uh-oh, coming back up to more rapids. It is freaking hot, man. I'm so glad I brought that sunscreen. My skin's so white, I'll burn in seconds. There we go. Now I understand why these things are so narrow. I mean, these boats are built to go through these rapids here. I bet you they came out and moved a lot of these boulders by hand to make a little path through here. These guys do a great job. Of course, I say that. Let's see, if he flips us, I might change my mind. Okay, run into another the calm pool here. Caventi. We're in Caventi. Man, I would love to live out here. Look at this place. Yeah, I'd love to live here. Boy, I tell you, I'd have my shotgun, my rifle. Hey, how you doing, sir?
You're from, sir?
Florida, USA, and Japan for him. Yeah. Oh, you want me to stand up? Oh, okay, I got you. Hey, guys, how you doing? There we go. Tell you what, there's not a person I would rather ride bitch with than my friend here from Japan.